Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, special events, and features. The Norwegian Escape was purpose built for the Caribbean, and as soon as she set sail, she was destined for the Eastern Caribbean. She has had a wonderful run, but we were very pleased to welcome her into Falmouth, Jamaica. And as a rite of passage, the team from Funtastic Travels and Resorts, along with some of her most preferred suppliers, joined us for a day of fun and sun. Yes, I did say sun because there's so many open spaces on the waterfront directly on the vessel that it was just wonderful being there with her. So take a look at our pictorial and see why you need to make the Norwegian Escape your place this fall, this winter. It sails right now, 7-day itinerary, and it will be calling in the port of Falmouth every single week all the way to the beginning of April before she takes off for the beautiful pink sandy beaches of Bermuda. Journey with us. Take a look. Enjoy. I know that must be what you're saying. Oh my goodness. You really need to be on the Norwegian Escape. We are here, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, to make this dream a reality. Give us a call, Facebook us. You need to subscribe as well to our YouTube channel because at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.